in New England, what better way to celebrate the season than with an awesome tailgate? And who better than my friend Anthony Caterano of 4 award-winning restaurants up on the North Shore to walk us through building a great menu. Anthony, I came hungry.
Good, I'm glad.
What goes into, I feel like you're no stranger for building a great tailgate. What goes into the menu when you're thinking out of the box like this?
You want to just keep it simple, something you can cook on the grill with very little cleanup.
Yeah, ooh, I like that. And so the food and the flavor and the great view can speak for itself.
Yep, it's a great spot today.
And I feel like for me, the only thing precious I want at a tailgate are the people. The no fuss, no muss.
We have
kind
a
of thing.
great crowd of people here today too.
That's great. Okay, so what are we eating?
We're gonna do grilled clams, corn, bacon, and white wine.
Ah, yum.
Yeah.
Okay, so we prepared some of the ingredients here, and this is what I think is so fun. In a car like this, you literally just open the back and the party's already started, right?
That's right.
Okay, so here we have, these are beautiful. What do we have here? Some count necks, little necks?
Yep, some little necks. So first thing you're gonna want to do is really just take the clams.
So I like this. If someone's a little bit timid of checking, this is a great recipe.
This is nice and easy. So the clams will open up. This is nice too on like a wood fire.
Yeah.
Like New England style. You get the smoke flavor, and then you have like the smoky bacon flavor. We're gonna start with a little olive oil.
And where are these clams from?
These are from Gloucester.
Nice.
Yep, got them right up here. And we'll add the bacon. So you can see the clams are starting to open up a little too. We'll add the shallots. And then the corn. So as soon as the clams start to crack, you want to start getting them in the skillet.
Okay, right, so you don't lose that yummy
So you don't lose
liquor
that
in
liquid,
there.
yeah. You want to keep it on like a real hot spot on the grill. We happen to have a little burner here that we're using, but you can do this right on top of the grill next to each other as well.
Great.
Now, the liquids come in there a little bit. We're going to add a little bit of white wine. We didn't bring a glass though.
I guess the clams flushed out.
And then they'll steam open and let the rest of the juice out.
So with the summer season, the corn is just naturally going to be so sweet.
Yeah, you could add a little sausage in there. This is one of my favorites though.
Yeah.
Just like this. You could add mushrooms if you wanted to.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, in the fall time, yeah. Yep.
I find that mushrooms are a good way to sort of stretch the clams if you don't have as many because they have that similar sort of chew. Yeah. Really nice.
So, especially up here, there's so many local mushrooms that you can go out and pick mushrooms. The end of corn season, the mushroom season starting. You can almost mix the two together. You could do this with scallops, clams, just something simple like that.
It's really nice. You have to befriend the forages.
That's right.
Yeah, there's just that beautiful sweet brininess that you get from the clam meat.
Right.
That brings it full circle.
Yep.
And I think it's pretty cool. Like, that's the thing I love about tailgating, right? Where you can pull right up to the source and eat what you're being given.
And again, it's nice, just one pot mess cleanup too. You don't have all these pots to clean up. End of the day, just throw it in the back of the truck and you're all done.
Wheels up.
Just about ready.
Anthony, this looks and smells phenomenal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Delicious.
Thank you.
That is so fantastic. Such sweet, succulent little clams. And I love the smokiness of the bacon with the sweet corn. This is phenomenal. Well, should we toast?
Let's do it.
A little rosé to pair with this beautiful view and delicious food.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Should we tell our friends food is ready?
Food is ready.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks
Just at the right time.
It looks delicious. Doesn't it smell so good?
Yeah. Anthony, is this an old family recipe or it's...
No, just kind of one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do something similar at Fred's in Boston. We do grilled clams, tomato, and sausage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, cheers, everyone. Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers.
Here's to a great meal in the Defender.